Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a fillable text box read only. Open your fillable PDF form and I will make this fillable text box read only. Now select this form option and now click on the selection tool and select annotation and drag your mouse cursor, you can select multiple one. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and select properties option and properties dialog box. Select here general option, already selected and select general option. Here you will find this read only option and check mark it and simply select close. Now select hand option and see this. You cannot edit this text and you cannot retype any text. Only you can read it and see this. Similarly, I will make this one read only. Select and select this one. Properties dialog box to make it required. Cross and option and this one also you cannot edit or remove text only. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.